Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you my natural hair care routine, how I basically get prepped under my wigs for my braids, y'all. So I'll be using Baba de Caracol. I'll be using their shampoo, conditioner, and their deep conditioner. And basically it's like snail slime based. And listen, before you look at me crazy, there are a lot of benefits to snail slime in your hair care products. Basically, it's a curl booster, natural detangler, it seals in moisture, protects your hair, smooths it out, among other things, okay? And it really works well with, keeping coarser hair like mine moisturized, and it really helps with the detangling process because, y'all, I'm very tender-headed, but as you'll see later in the video, using the deep conditioner, it just allows the comb to just, go through my hair really nice. So first, as you can see, yes, my mom still washes my hair. She does. She's the only one that knows what to do with it, okay? So I ain't even going front. So first we use the shampoo. We do about, 2 rounds of that. And then after washing that out, we use the conditioner. And it's empty now. I do gotta re-up. But we put that in, get a nice coat in. She makes sure to get my scalp. It's really important to moisturize your scalp, because that's where all the dirt, the dandruff, that's where it's all at, girl. And she makes sure that she goes ahead and detangles it while the conditioner is in there. We let it sit for a little and then we rinse it out before going ahead and putting in the deep conditioner to do more detangling. So before applying the deep conditioner, also known as a moisturizing hair mask, my mom makes sure to detangle my hair like for real. So it still is some of that conditioner in there, but once she goes through it, make sure it's nice and not entangle free. Then she applies a really good coat of the hair mask, then continues to detangle it. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see my face, but like, oh my gosh, it just hurts. But with that conditioner already in it, you see that it's getting easier and easier to comb through it, you know what I'm saying? And then once I have that hair mask in, the snail slime and all the ingredients in that hair mask just really coats the hair and smooths out the strands of hair so that the comb can just go right through it and make it an easier process. So after sitting with the hair mask for about 10 minutes, then rinsing it out, this is how my hair looks. Shrinkage is really not that girl. She's not. So yeah, y'all, I don't know why she had to be there, but it's okay. So now my mom's gonna go ahead and detangle once again, because with this hair, You gotta keep detangling it, but it's cool, and you gotta keep it moist. That's really like a major thing with my hair. I have to continuously always keep it moist, just so that it doesn't break off and we be tight, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, after she blow dries it, she moisturizes my scalp, and then she braids it. I did not film me getting it braided because it was pretty simple. I didn't want the video to be too long and drawn out, and she just gave me some straight backs, you know, some Meek Millies, typical. And just make sure that when you do your braids for your wig, make sure those braids are nice and flat, because that's the key to having a flat install when wearing your wig. Alright y'all, here's the finished product. This is how my hair is looking. I'm ready for a wig, y'all. So I'm going to take a mixture of Jamaican castor oil with eucalyptus oil and wild growth hair oil. I'm going to apply that to my scalp and massage it in. And that's basically what I use to keep it moist, as well to promote growth. So yeah y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one.